like you're busy, you're a mom. How do you stay consistent? Like, do you have a specific routine that you do every day?
So what I do is I have about 10 posts already kind of loaded up in my Facebook. Okay, so every Monday's kind of my biggest work day, if you will. I will build out my posts on Monday and I will load them in to release at specific times of the day, Monday through Friday. Okay, so that's part of it. I built them. I do not get up at 7 o'clock in the morning because I'm a night owl and sometimes I sleep in, but my post will go out at 7 Central Standard Time, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I have an evening post that goes out at 9 o'clock, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And I have themes. So like a Motivation Monday, Transformation Tuesday, Wealth and Wellness Wednesday, Thoughtful and Thankful Thursday, Funny and Foodie Friday. Okay, so, and you can play around with them. You can do whatever you want. The point is people are getting out your content, and some of it is just a little bit inspirational. Some of it is a little bit about business. Some of it is tips and tricks financially. Some of it's like recipes. Some of it's funny. Some of it's levity. I get my kids to tell jokes on Friday. Like, they love it. We like giving people a peek into our world because we're goofy. We're a goofy family.